Okay, unboxing the Leapers UTG Recon Flex Bipod. This is the M-Lock one. It has rubberized foot pads, directional folding. Can go forward or backwards, whichever one you prefer. Let's see here on the side, we've got, it says bidirectional 5-position bipod legs for added versatility across different firearms. Ergonomic spring-loaded side locking ring for quick and effortless bipod deployment. Fully adjustable with 5 pre-cut extendable lengths and flexible in between locking positions. Locking thumb wheel for a secure leg extension hold. Comes in nice packaging. See all the stuff there. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Comes with an extra mounting screw, an M-Lock nut, and a Allen wrench. Complete instructions. Those look pretty good. Alright, and the bipod itself. Oh yeah, that feels good. Feels like quality. Got your different positions here. Locks in nice. Takes up 2 positions on your M-Lock system. Locks in nice. Nice hard rubberized feet. They're not real soft. Not real extremely stiff. They should dig in a little bit. And the other being the same. Nice tight locking. It's got the UTG symbol here. Patent pending. Thumb wheel lock. Extension lock. This lock here to unfold. Very nice. I like it. So I'll get that mounted up on the rifle and do a new upgrades video. It'll be part 3 to my rifle, and I think it will be pretty much done. Storm Shadow 1211 out.